Hey guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. In this illustration, the historical rate of return of two securities over the past 2 years are given. Calculate the covariance and the correlation coefficient of two securities. The security has been given from the years from 1 to 10, and security A it would be 12, 8, 7, 14, 16, 15, 18, 20, 16, 22, and for security B it would be 20, 20, 22, 24, 18, 15, 20, 24, 28, 24, and 18. So going ahead with the solution for the computation, it would be like we have the years and security A and security B would be given after after writing securities. Take the total and divide it by the average number, which would be the 10. We have 10 years for uh, return has been given, so therefore we need to divide it with 10. Therefore the average would be 14.8 and 21. After computing the average, we need to take x minus x bar. So x minus x bar would be the security A, which would be 12 minus 14.8, which gives you 2.8, and 8 minus 14.8 will give you minus 6.8. In the same way, we need to compute the entire term, and then the next one, it would be the average would be 21. Therefore here we have 20 minus 21, which is minus 1, and 22 minus 21, which is 1. Same way we need to compute the entire column. After computing that, we need to take the x minus x bar the whole square, which is 2.8 into 2.8, which gives 7.84, and 6.8 into 6.8, which gives you 46.24. The same way for B. After computing this, we have the x1 and x2. After taking square, we need to multiply with d1 and d2. So d1 and d2, it would be 2.8 into 1 will give you 2.8, and 6.8 into 1 which gives you 6.8, and 7.8 into 3 will give you 23.4, and 0.8 into 0.3 will give you 2.4. So we'll get x minus x square the whole square, and so after computing that, we will get the sum total of the d1 into d2 to d2, it will be negative 20, and over here x minus x bar the whole square for A and B, it would be 207.6 and 100. So after taking the sum total, we need to divide it with 10. We will get 20.76 and 10. Computing that, for computation of integers and deviation, we need to take the root. So the root of 20.76 will give you 4.55, and the root of 10 will give you 3.162. So we have computed the individual data, individual standard deviation. Now we need to compute the covariance and correlation. So the covariance, as we have discussed, it would be negative 20 divided by 10, that is root of d1 into d2 divided by n will give you the covariance. So the covariance would be negative 20 divided by 10 will give you 0.2, and the correlation, it would be covariance of AB divided by standard deviation of A into standard deviation of B, which is negative 2 into 4.55 into 3.15 will give you the covariance as negative 0.139. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you.